This is Cooking with LJ. Let me see, episode number 6, I believe. And today, I'm going to be making, maybe I should wait to tell you what I'm going to be making. But this is Cooking with LJ. And you always got to wash your hands and be safe. You know what I'm saying? Always got to be safe. Remember, 20 seconds. Alright, now. So, we're going to make, what do you think I'm going to make out of this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to make spaghetti. So, since I'm going to be making, I gotta put some water in this. Need to use all this. I think she said she don't use a whole box, but I think I'm going to make sure that we get full. You want to crack these? You want to split these in half? Because it's gonna be noodles. Take them. Yep, I know. Split it in half. Let me see how much more we got. Alright, we'll get another one. So this is the final step. Put the noodles in here. Wet the meat. Sorry if I bumped the camera because I think I just did that. But mix them up. Yeah, I know. I'm going to put something else in here. I'm trying to get this mix a little bit better than usual. I think I got too much water in this. Way too much. And then you added some more?
So it's gonna be fine when it cooks down.
Wow. I always say this and then it turned out pretty good, so everybody see it. I should put some tomato. So here we go, collaboration. Mom did the bread. I did the spaghetti.
Look at that bread.
This has been Cooking with LJ. I hope you guys enjoy
and Mary.
Have a good day.